Now that we have enabled the enhanced e-commerce both in Analytics and Google Tag Manager, let's talk a little bit about the data layer. So what is this data layer? Why do I need this data layer on my site? Now, it gets a little bit complicated, and in the interest of just keeping this course a little bit basic, I'll run through an example of what a data layer actually looks like. So you can see here this portion of the page here pulled up from w3.org that gives you an example of the data layer. So let's say, for an example, if you hit this URL, which is mysite.com/product/nikoncamera.html. So you as a visitor hit this page. The website can collect a lot of information about what you do on this page, and just to make it accurate, just to make it more reliable, the data layer can pass on a lot of other information every time it is pushed to the analytics. So for an example, in this case, it is also giving you some other information like the page ID, the category, the SKU, the manufacturer, primary category, and so on and so forth. So basically, it's a layer on the website which helps collect the data that is that a user, or be able to track the user and what they do on the website, and be able to collect that data accurately and send it back to your analytics property. So when you are on the Google Analytics, and if you've got your e-commerce turned on, you would have stuff in product performance, sales performance, transaction, all of which will require enabling enhanced e-commerce, and obviously having information being sent through the data layer. So we'll go into how to see what information is being collected, how to use it, or just the basics of it in the next video. So this is the data layer is very useful if you've just joined as a marketing person on an e-commerce platform, or a SaaS, or a startup, where you want to be able to make experimentation, you want to be able to test hypothesis and other things based on the information that is available from your analytics. And with data layer, the accuracy and the accuracy of that information just becomes a lot more relevant.